Hello boys and girls, how are you all doing today? I trust you all doing good and having a great time at home with mommy and daddy. I know some of you are very happy that, oh, we have a long holiday, but don't worry, very soon you're coming back. And I know, we can't wait to have you guys back, but because of what you all know is happening currently, we can't have you close to us. And I want to let you know that we miss you dearly. I personally, I miss every one of you dearly, dearly, dearly. And I can't wait to see you guys. Okay, without wasting much time, today we're going straight away with what we have, and that is quantitative reasoning. Quantitative reasoning. And today we're looking at a wonderful topic, like you have on the board here. You might be wondering, oh, we have boxes. Is this a magic box? No, it's not a magic box. But like I always tell you guys, when it comes to quantitative reasoning, you don't just start working all of a sudden. There are things that you have to put in place before you start, working when it comes to quantitative reasoning. The first thing you are expected to do is do what? Carefully look at the samples. What is the samples all about? Oh, we have numbers. And then the next thing I expect every one of you to do is pick out the numbers, or you label each of the numbers. Like you can see, I have A, B, C, D, and E. Now we have that given. Remember, I also told you something when it comes to quantitative reasoning, that you apply the basic operations in order for you to be able to find out what exactly you are expected to do in any work given to you in your quantitative reasoning. And what are the basic operations? We have what? Addition, which we call plus. We have subtraction, which we call minus. We have multiplication, which is times. And then we have division. Now you must always understand that each of these work hand in hand. The reverse part of an addition is what? Subtraction. So addition and subtraction usually work in hand. The reverse part of multiplication is what? Division. Is what? Division. Can I hear you shout it out? It's division. So if I'm working with division, that means the opposite will be what? Multiplication. And if I'm working with subtraction, the opposite will be what? Addition. Having done that, then you pick it out to find A. What am I going to do? How did it get A? Look at the number closely. And then on and on to find B. And so on and so on and so on. But most often, I always advise you people to do something. The first thing I always expect my children to do is to find the word, pick out the word, the biggest number. In this case, 6 is the biggest number here. Although we have 6 here, but let's look at this especially. This 6. Find out how were they able to get this 6. What kind of operation was done in order for you to get the 6? Once you get this the biggest number, you can go on to begin to apply other operation. Are they merging two numbers together? Are they multiplying or dividing? You find out. The same goes with this next sample. You label it. We have A, B, C, D, and E, and you apply the same method. This is the biggest number here. How did they get this? When you're done getting that, then you'll be able to find out how they got each of this number. However, you must also understand that whatever operation you apply in the first sample should be the same operation you apply in the second sample. If the operation you apply here does not work here, that means you've not been able to decode your work. That means whatever operation you have applied in the first sample is not correct. So you keep on applying until you get an operation, or you apply the right operation that can tell you what is going on here and what is going on here, in order for you to be able to answer your questions. So with this, I'm going to leave you with some exercises which will be coming up right after this video, and I expect you to solve them carefully. After the exercises, I'm going to send, and when we're done with our work, I'm going to send you your answers with the correct method that you're expected to apply in form of correction. So I wish you all the best, and please, mommy and daddy should not assist you. Try and do it yourself. And I know you're the best and you know how to do it. See you. Bye.